Okay, so my manager and my client is beating down me like, okay, can someone help me with the following? Okay, I can help, but I'm yet to see what the help is. I will try my best to help you. I know these are a lot, and some of this might be basic, but it will be a great help. Should I turn on display network and search partners in search ads? Currently, I have them on. Should I turn them on? I'm running ads for a web app and software development company, and for a company that sells septic tanks, container homes, and portable toilets. So you are doing it well. You do not know. You do not know. You do not have to turn on. So that's a great thing you have done yourself. Okay, how many keywords should I use per ad? Should I start with as many keywords as possible and then remove the based on no? Account structure plays a crucial role. Structure plays a crucial role. Crucial role. Every keyword has a different intent. If you go with theme based structure, maximum 3 to 5 keywords of same theme with minimum 2 ads per ad group. Okay, this is a formula I can suggest. You need to can have 3 to 5 keywords in a single ad group with minimum of 2 ads to see which one is working well. Okay, the web app development company I'm running 4 ads for have 4 different buyers personas, but the keywords are same in it. Is it good? Does it mean the ads are competing with each other, or like Meta does, Google ads will also show different ads to different people based on the profile of the person who is searching, or should I change the ad to different keywords? You have to change the ad to different keywords. Change the ads to match the keyword and the intent with which user is searching. So it's very important to know this. Okay, another is awareness campaign on Meta and leads campaign on Google ads. The right strategy for all the companies. Like in Meta, I only run a awareness campaign and lead generation only on Google. No, it's not the right strategy only, and it's not the right strategy only. Also, Google ads look on your bidding strategy, your search terms, ad schedules, location, timing, and a lot more factors. So basically, the Google Ads algorithm is mature and older than all of the platforms, which is why this is the one of the best performing one, and which is why you need to work more on this. Okay, so my client demanded that every time they search, their ad has to be on top. Is that even possible? What if increase the budget? Google shows ad. Okay, for Google shows ad based on relevance and the quality of person who is searching right now. I mean, what should I say to the client? Okay, run absolute top bidding plus focus on CTR and QS. If you want to get the top share for all of the time, focus on these things. Run your absolute top bidding strategy plus focus on quality, click through rate, and your CTR, so your cost remain at the limit. Also, the cost will be high. Keep in mind the cost will be high with this strategy. So for those who don't know, let me show you how you can do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move back over here, and in the campaign settings, if I move on to the campaign settings over here, this is a normal Google Ads account. I'm just showing you the campaign settings to get you an idea. And over here in your bidding strategy, change bidding strategy, look around for target impression share, go with the target impression share, and follow the absolute top of result page. So your ads are being shown on the absolute top of result page, so focus on this, and this can help you in getting your ad to be shown at the top. The search campaign is not bringing any leads for a development firm and a company that sells septic tank, container home, and portable toilets. What would you suggest? Okay, for a campaign like this, my opinion is to run local LSA, local search ads. Okay, this can help you to sell your septic tank or container home and portable toilets, or run Google shopping campaign with merchant center. Okay, Instead of normal, I suggest you to run these, and this is how you can grab sales. So yeah, I hope I have answered all of your questions. Yeah, I hope I have answered all of your questions. And if you still need a help, or if anyone watching this video needs a professional help with Google Ads, you can hire me and my company through the link in the description. Our company is known as AARSWEBS.com as a Google partner company, AARSWEBS.com, and you can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. I hope this answers your concern as well. Take care and bye bye.